Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to get simple voice chat working on an Aternos Minecraft server without confusion. First, make sure your server software supports mods or plugins. Simple voice chat works with Fabric, Forge, or as a plugin for paper servers. Log in to your Aternos account and open your server dashboard. Stop the server before making any changes. Now go to the Software section and choose Fabric or Forge for mods, or Paper if you plan to use the plugin version. Install the selected software and wait for setup to finish. Next, open the Mods section for Fabric or Forge, search for Simple Voice Chat, and install the latest version that matches your Minecraft version. If you are using Paper, go to the Plugins section and install Simple Voice Chat from there. After installing, start the server once so config files generate, then stop it again. Now open the Files section, find the Simple Voice Chat config folder, and check the port setting. Aternos automatically assigns ports, so usually you don't need to change anything. Save and close the files. Start the server again and wait for it to fully load. Now, on your computer, install the same Simple Voice Chat mod if you're using Fabric or Forge, making sure versions match exactly. Join your Aternos server. Once inside the game, press the Voice Chat key, usually V, to open settings. Select your microphone and output device, then test your voice. Make sure your firewall allows Minecraft access. If you're playing with friends, ask them to install the mod as well. You should now see icons above players when they speak. With this setup complete, Simple Voice Chat will work smoothly on your Aternos server, letting you talk naturally while playing together. Subscribe the channel for more videos.